Open Race Studio 3 and load your session in the data movies or time distance layout. Look at the track map panel on the left. Make sure only 2 or 3 laps are enabled. For example, your best lap and one slower lap. Each lap will have its own color. Click once on the colored driven line on the map. The cursor will jump to that point in the lap, and the same position will show up in the time distance graph and in any video panel. Slowly move along the track by clicking around the map. Watch how speed, throttle, and brake channels change at the same corners. Where the slower lap is offline, you will usually see lower minimum speed, later throttle, or more steering input. Focus on corner entry and exit. Use the cursor on the map to hop from corner to corner and ask one simple question each time. Is the fast lap braking later, rolling more speed, or getting back to throttle earlier? That is how you use the track map to turn colored lines into concrete driving changes for the next session.